To become a software engineer. Senthil just graduated from college and is looking for a job as a software engineer. Senthil starts his job hunting. He really wants to work for one of the top IT companies as his first job for reasons such as good pay and better opportunity. Senthil submitted his application and prepared the interview on his own. Finally, he is contacted by one of his dream companies. Senthil went to the interview and thought he did a great job. However, the interviewer did not move forward and he would not tell Senthil. One day later, Senthil gets rejected and the recruiter would not share any detailed information on why exactly he failed. Senthil feels so sad and helpless. Senthil is looking for where he can get some feedback from the interview and improve himself from there. Luckily, he found Top Tech Guru's interview training from Google. Top Tech Guru's placement preparation program will help you with both training classes and mock interviews. All Top Tech Guru's trainers are working in top IT companies and are from reputed institutions. Senthil took the courses from Top Tech Gurus and learned a lot from the courses and mock interviews. He also completed 2 45-minute mock interviews. The mock interview experience is almost identical to real interview. The mock interview was on a video call over Zoom. The most valuable part from the mock interview is the 30 minutes debrief session where all interviewers will provide feedback and suggestions to help candidates improve themselves. From Top Tech Guru's courses and mock interviews, Senthil knows what the interviewers are looking for from a successful candidate. He prepared himself and easily got an offer. Senthil is very happy and cannot wait to share Top Tech Guru's training with his friends. Check us out at toptechgurus.com. We are here to help.